I don't know where I'm going. This is like a story mode game. Oh hey! Oh hey! What does that mean? Come here, buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I don't know how I am supposed to kill you. Oh, you're such a... Are we really gonna do this? Oh yeah. I don't want to be in the basement anymore. Oh yeah. Let's open this. Oh yeah, I'm upstairs now. Where are y'all? Oh hey, buddy. Man, I should be able to chase you. Get her, get her. Oh, we can't go under that? Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, come here. Come here. Come here. No, it overheated. You're so lucky. Are they gonna hide? Oh. Oh, you're outside, huh? Oh. Look at you. I can click RT to hit. I was acting dumb. Oh, come here, buddy. Yeah. Why do you walk like that? Good, ain't it? I just tapped him on the head. Ooh, it overheated. Ooh, you're so lucky. You're so lucky, boy. Oh, I missed. I'll get you now, no! Oh, yeah. I made it, y'all. I made it.
They added a little bit too much jiggle physics. What the?
Do we start like this? Oh, we do.
Yeah, you do.
Don't spam them.
You can't get through it. You can only cut through it.
Huh?
Oh no. Don't
Hello?
worry about it.
This
Oh wait, I didn't know it could break.
Oh, there's one.
I don't know who's with me, but like we're on this lock right here.
Wait, how do I get
Maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not, maybe not. I'm going. No one. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Don't even worry about it. Don't worry about it. Go! Go, bro, go! Go, bro, go! Go, 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 go. Bro.
Stay away.
Oh, where? We've. Ah, stop! Stop, bro. Chill, 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 chill. Don't even do that. That's not even funny.
Who is this? Is this Omar? You're just gonna let me kill you,
Finally.
buddy?
I hope the others are okay.
Thank you.
Bro, don't ever find my footprints again, bro. Never did anything.
Oh my god, this death scene is insane.
Oh my god.
Bro, my shit's fucking bugging out.
I was like, why are you just sitting?
Yeah, it's kind of crashing.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Help me.
Oh, hey, what's up? Yeah, you're getting looped, bro.
Are they gone? I think I'm okay. You're doing
Getting looped, bro.
Please stop.
Just getting hectic. Run! Oh, it's locked! No! Stop! Oh, let me go! Go, go, go! No, bro! Oh! Give me it, give me it! Oh, God. Oh, God. You don't even know where I'm at anymore. Oh,
either find the
pop the mini
flowers
shield, pop the
or-
mini shield. Bitch. I'm doing something right now, bro. Alright. I got a plan. I'm like Dutch right now.
I'm trying to find the powder.
Come on, bro. Go.
Yes, yes.
I'm going. You're not catching me. No. Oh, no. Oh, oh, weave. Monster 60. Get in that hole. Yo, I'm going.
Like, how do you...
Gone.
What is that thing?
I closed. I did not mean to close that. Grandpa, stop. There's nowhere to go. Watch this. 360. Oh, run.
Wow.
Run. Stop. I can't do this no more.
Oh my god, I was just walking to try to catch up with you, right? I just found out I can run.
I'm stuck. Slam it. I didn't even slam it. Give me 2. Oh, yes. What, bro? What?
But guess what? I can follow you!
Ooh, that's fine. I keep going. Follow this. Ah. Where? I'm going. That gave me like last stand. That's the last stand, bro. Last stand. I'm going. Open this earlier. Yeah. Yes.
I can get help.
Oh my god, my teammates are just being still!
This is more fun to play as the victim.
Oh, I clicked Y on accident. Oh, still missed. Loser. My god, I'm already like so low. Oh my god. Oh my god. Kim. Leatherface has only been finding me.
Run!
Go, go, go. About to jump out.
They're all over.
Oh! Nah, he's cheating. That one's supposed to happen. That one. Cheating.
What?
He killed me! I was closing the door. He somehow killed me through it.
Okay, let's see where this goes.
Run! Spam the A button! Get through there! Oh no! Get up! I thought I was smart by what I did, but like, he just completely juked. Am I alone? Damn, that's crazy. They put me alone. Where is he? You sure they're not above? Oh yeah, look, he's waiting at the door. He was waiting at the door. Dodge it. Oh. 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 Go, go, go! Kim. Not another trap. Dodge it. Oh, almost walked right into it. Hey, what's up? Just squeezed by you. Just close that. Just right here.
Why the hell did we end up here?
Are you good, Jeremiah? Oh. Oh, damn.
I have to make it.
Go, go.
I have to make you sprint out here.
happening? Yo!
Getting this stuff and we're going. I'm going crazy. I'm already getting out of here.
Yo, I'm so scared. I'm so scared.
Oh, I'm not so good.
He's on my booty.
All right, well. Oh,
Yo! Weave? Oh my god, I just did him in the worst way.
I'm
Yo,
out
he's
too.
on the ground. Run! Come in here.
Oh, hey, what's up?
Keep running. Go, go, go. Can't stop. Can't stop. Won't stop.
Yo! Yo! No!
Do this. Do this. Ooh.
Hey, whoever was in front of me.
There's the door open. Let's go.
Is this the door?
Can I use this?
No. Come on, we gotta go look for it.
Are you sprinting?
Oh, fuck. Gotta go, gotta go.
Wow! Yo!
Run!
This is not
The
the
door is
way
over
for-
here somewhere. The door is over here. Right here, right here, right here. Oh yeah, we're gone.
Are we left?
Oh yeah.
Are we left? I did
Yeah,
it.
we left. We're gone.
Oh,
Wait, where is it?
Basement.
he's already outside.
I don't know exactly where it is. Not gonna lie, I just ran to that.
Oh
my God,
he's
the
brain
jukes.
dead. He's brain dead. He's brain dead. Caroline, you passed it. You passed it.
Run! Ooh! Oh
Go f yourself, you idiot.
Good job, Caroline. Yes, that way, that way, that way. Good job. That way? Wait. Oh, I don't know which way we went then. I'm so sorry I lied to you.
I mean, I.
my god. Oh! Run! Damn.
Leatherface
Oh my god.
is actually the one person who can't collect.
Did he just turn that off?
No way. Anthony,
You better just.
there's no
Why did he turn it off?
reset codes. No,
Oh my god, I
Anthony.
can't believe he did that.
Is that the possum? Oh yeah, no,
I can't believe he broke that for you. I know, we got out of there. We were gone.
I think I need a break from this game.
So,
My
like-
heart can't take it anymore.
Are you serious?
Need a break?
Come on, you
Yeah.
can play killer with me.
That you just sound way too happy about that.
Yeah, we're gone. Get us out of here. Loose.
Alright, Anthony.
Let's go. Oh yeah, we're out. Alright, we gotta look for like.
Shoot.
Give me this fuse. Go, 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 go.
That was funny.
Go, go, go. Come out of
Should have
stamina.
stopped the route. Why did you stop her out?
Oh, fuck, they're right here. They're
Go,
right
go,
next
go,
to
go, go.
Grandpa.
Give me. Ah! Why is he going after me? Go after the pro. Whoa!
Whoa.
I'm getting-
bro.
Why won't they leave me alone?
Yeah. Damn, Jeremiah.
Bro, I got gang. I don't understand. Like, you slammed the girl on the ground and she immediately went after me. Like she didn't. She took everything I
What the
like I
fuck?
would have did it.
Get over here.
Oh my god.
They're all on me, bro.
Not her staring into your eyes while she's cutting you. That is wild. What are you doing? Yo. What the heck was that?
That's Grandpa.
Grandpa.
That sounds like a werewolf. When I'm talking,
Oh,
they're
she's coming out here.
screwed.
I'm a
They are
cracker.
screwed.
Keep working on it.
Look, watch this.
Loose.
Look, she's laid out.
What's good?
She
I got
popped
you.
their bones back in the
What's good?
place.
Loose. Going. Go, go, go. Oh, get me out of here. Oh.
feel
I
like
got
I'm
shoulder
slow.
checked, and then I got a divorce on my face, and I got knocked over.
Hey, what's up?
What are you?
Oh,
buddy. Yeah, you're
Leland's in
done.
the main house.
No, stay down
Yeah,
there.
I lost.
Oh, stay down.
Yo, Leland's
Yeah,
in the
that's
main
fine.
house right now.
Okay.
Go.
Oh,
He's
Dominic.
outside now.
I've been
around
banished
back.
to the basement.
Oh, you.
He's going to the generator, Leland. No, he's not.
I don't even think he knows where that is.
Whoosh. Yeah,
Bro,
you're done.
why does he keep trying to?
Hey, leave the basement.
He's definitely faster spamming than I am.
Grandpa's in danger. What does that
That
mean?
means they're in the house where they're attacking him, or they just ran past him.
Yo, y'all leave our grandpa alone, bro.
Come back.
Where did he go? Down.
Oh, this is not open.
How does that feel?
Damn.
Yo, just
You
close
get
the
him?
door in my face. Leatherface.
See
Caroline,
where
I don't
this-
know how many. I'm chasing somebody.
Me too. I can see your blood.
Whoosh.
Yo,
Yeah.
forget
Give me
to
this.
lock the basement doors.
Get out of here. Go. Pop that mini shield in your face.
I tapped dude. Twice.
Oh yeah, I'm gone again.
Who is that?
Ooh, found one downstairs. Leland.
Boy,
go.
stop it.
Ain't doing
Here's
this.
Leland.
I'm in the hole. Ah!
Leland, get your fat ass over here. Oh, you're not fat, but still.
You buddy.
Are you so much faster at crawling than me, bro? I swear.
Anthony, I know you're trying to find the
Ah.
exit.
Just let me kill you already. Stop running away. God damn it. Lucky motherfucker. Yeah, I was Johnny, bro. I gonna get away, bro. Ooh, haha, that was your mistake. That was okay.
Was it though?
Maybe
Was
not.
it though?
Maybe not.
Was it though? Oh yeah.
Still on your.
Sorry.
Wow. Now that is. Yo, Leatherface, can you get down here and cut some of these things, bro? He's pissing me off. Leland is pissing me off. Where the f is Leland, bro?
Gotta get out.
Anybody know?
Never mind.
They haven't even gone for the fuse yet. What are these guys doing? Is Leland dead?
Can I?
Oh, I snared someone. Where is that?
I
Oh,
see
found
them.
him. They're going for the generator, yeah. Hi, Leland.
I don't think it is.
How you doing, Leland?
You.
Come here, son of a.
Shutting the door.
Fuck you, Leland, for from running away from me all these times, bro. Pissing me off.
We. Oh, look at you. Look at you. Oh
Hey,
yeah.
no, you're gonna win. Kill him! Yeah, no, you won.
Look. Get out of here.
Leland, you better get your ass over here.
Let me get this one.
Oh. Nah.
We.
I still hit you. Here. No. Escaping from me. Not even.
What is
You're just
happening?
lucky there was two of you. That's all.
I mean, I wanted to for myself, but he took it.
Yeah,
Nah,
y'all
bro.
are
I
just
needed it.
lucky.
My fault.
And Anthony
I-
wasn't here. Anthony was
ran
here.
away from